The frillback is a breed of pigeon developed over many years of selective breeding. Frillbacks, along with other varieties of domesticated pigeons, are all descendants from the rock pigeon. The breed is known for the frill or curls on the wing shield feathers. It is believed to have originated somewhere in Asia Minor. Fortunately for these ridiculously good-looking pigeons, they still can fly, although research online suggests that they prefer to walk. The frillback pigeon is a breed of domestic fancy pigeon. It is an ancient breed and actually was developed over many years of selective breeding. It is believed to have originated somewhere in Asia Minor. The frillback pigeon is a medium-sized breed and is slightly larger than other colored domesticated pigeon breeds. These birds are very beautiful with longer tail and wing feathers. They can be either plain-headed or shell-crested. The shell-crested frillback pigeon has a thick shell crest on the back of the head with rosettes on each side, and the crest should stand off the head. But the plain-headed birds have a slightly oval head with no flat areas, and a forehead that has a distinct stop at the wattle. Eyes of the frillback pigeon are in line with the beak. The eyes are usually reddish-orange in color in all varieties except shield-marked, which has black or blue eyes. Although cracked, gravel and pearl-colored eyes also occur. Beak of these birds is long, with upper beak often being slightly longer than the lower beak. Their beak is of dark on red and blue grizzles, black on blacks, light on yellow, horn on silver and flesh-colored. Frills form a distinct ringlet curl at the end. The bottom of the muff is also frilled. Tail and flight feathers have a distinct wrinkle. The frillback pigeon appears in many color varieties. Frillbacks are not particularly skittish birds and quite social, so as long as you acclimate them to people and yourself very early, they make lovely and friendly pet birds. However, they can be prone to stress if they are not socialized and used to humans or shows from an early age. This can lead to feather loss, general ill health, and panicking. On average, pigeons will lay 2 eggs each time, but it's not uncommon for them to lay up to 3 eggs in certain cases. 8 to 12 days after mating, the females lay 1 to 3, usually 2 white eggs which hatch after 18 days. Chicks leave the nest in 25 to 32 days, 45 days in midwinter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.